Hey guys, Camera 7001 here, and in this video, I'm gonna be trying to find the jackpot for Subway Surfers, the Mega Jackpot, or whatever it's called. But it's gonna be in the I'm pretty sure it's like 1,500,000 coins or something. 1,500,000. Where's the sound? It's being stupid. Oh my god, that is so dumb. Okay, there it is. This thing is kind of being really glitchy. And I don't really need the Mega Jackpot, I just want to see if I can get it. Obviously, I don't really need it. Let me turn this down to make sure you can hear me. Oh, that's something. 7 times hoverboard. $5,000 coins. Oh my god. But let me just see how much you get in the big jackpot. Yep, 1,500,000 coins. I got 1,500. Those things up there are annoying. 3,000 coins. Yep. Hunting for it. 1,500 coins. 1,500 again. Why does it take so long to open one of these jackpots? Or whatever one of the mystery boxes? I don't know. 1,500. Again, 1,500. What the heck? 8,000. Oh my gosh, that's pretty lucky. I guess not really, because you're pretty much losing coins. You're still really down in negatives when you get 8,000 coins. Even 10,000 coins, you're still down in negatives. But I don't think you can even get that much. Like, what I mean is you can't, there's not a thing for 10,000 coins, I don't think so, I don't know. A key, yeah. Not that I actually need any. I don't know why there's no music, it's so dumb. It doesn't make any sense. Come on. Stupid jackpot. I'll keep doing the wrong thing. Somehow. 2,000. Pretty much losing coins. Not that that matters, but I don't know. 1,500. I got 3,000 coins. 4 times hoverboard. I don't really need any hoverboard at all. Any hoverboards? I don't know. That's pointless to get. Even if you do get 7 hoverboard, that's losing a lot of money still. Just for a hoverboard, because hoverboards are, I think, only 300 coins. So that's a lot of money lost. Or coins, I mean. Most of the time you already do lose money on these things. But that doesn't matter for me. And stuff. I can't wait for Christmas. I'm getting Actually, I'm not gonna save it. I'm gonna save it for when I do my Christmas, all the Christmas stuff that I get. But I don't know. So I'm not getting the jackpot. I wonder if it's harder to get it in this one. This probably might be easier actually. I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know. How long is this video? I don't know. Wish I could know. But you know, never mind. I'll save that for maybe like I'll say that in 2 minutes or something. Or a minute. Well, not right now. I'm not getting the stupid jackpot. It's kind of annoying. Not really at all, actually. It's just fun to do. Because it doesn't really matter once you have like 28 billion coins or something. However many I have. Or 2 billion. I'm not really that good at reading numbers. I don't know why. Not sure why I can't read numbers very well. But you know, if you aren't getting the jackpot, you can always jailbreak your phone, go into Subway Surfers, go buy your own money without paying for it, press cancel, then you magically get what you want without paying garbage money that you never had. So you know, if you want some money, all you gotta do is jailbreak your amazing device, and you can get your son some very nice money. So that's about it, and I'll see you in the next video. And where did the sound go? Bye.